Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is show you all how to use my Car Wash Business Plan template. Included in the purchase for the Car Wash Business Plan template is the Word document and also the Excel file. And in the Excel file, you do have a financial model. You'll be able to add your information for your revenues and your costs and your startup cost. But this tutorial right here doesn't go into how to use the financial model. I do provide you all with a separate tutorial for that information. All right, so let's go ahead and let me set your expectations for the business plan, Car Wash Business Plan template, and then we'll run through it. All right, so first and foremost, the way that I've structured this template is for you to have a business plan that is usable and workable in less than 30 minutes. If you change the areas that are highlighted in yellow and just put your information in there, it should take you about 30 minutes. And the final product will be a document that you should be able to use for landlords, for small business loans, maybe $10, $15, $20,000. And you can also share that information with friends and family. Now, you can also add more information to the business plan template that I give you. You can expand upon the products and services, the market research, your advertising. You can add more thoughts and ideas, and as the more information you add to it, the more in-depth it becomes, the more useful it's going to be. Just keep in mind, the more information you add is going to take you longer than 30 minutes in order to have a complete business plan. But that is your prerogative. You can use this template, boom, change information, you got it ready in 30 minutes, or take a little bit more time, add a little bit more meat to the bone, and you give some of your readers something to chew on, and you're going to be able to expand the scope of what the template's useful for. Keep in mind, this is not compatible, so the Word document and the Excel file is not compatible with Google products or Apple products. So if you've got Google Drive, you're not going to be able to upload this information. You're going to have some problems with compatibility. All right, when you do purchase the Car Wash Business Plan template, you will get a customizable Word document. I'm going to show you that information in this video. You will also get a basic financial model customized for the industry. And again, that right there, that's the tutorial for the financial model is a separate video. You also get the how to use video for the Word document, which is this video. And then you get a how to use video for the financial model. What's not included also is you don't get free phone conversations with me. So no phone support. So you don't get phone support. If you got some questions about the model and you want to pick up the phone, give me a call and ask me about it before you buy it. Be delighted to talk about it. But after you purchase it, there's no free phone support. There is a charge if you want me to walk you through it. All right, so with that said, let's go through this little handy dandy car wash template. So once you make your purchase for the car wash business plan template, you're going to see, once you open up the Word document, it's going to scream at you right here, car wash template. And you can go ahead and change car wash template to whatever you like. This is the title page. We'll call it Paul's Car Wash. Make it your own. That'll be the title page. The next page is going to be your table of contents. Once you add more information and the business plan starts to get more depth and more breadth, then what you're going to do is you're going to, once you're done adding the information to the template, you're going to come up here to the table of contents. You're going to click on it. You're going to click on Update Table. You're going to click on Update Entire Table, and you're going to click on OK. And that'll update the table of contents for you. Next section is going to be the executive summary. You can go ahead and just change around the information in yellow, make it your own. The financial projections would come from the financial template, and then your funding request as well. Next section is going to be, again, your company description. Here's a car wash summary. Please, again, feel free to add more information. This is an editable document. Car wash products, I give you a structure for the car wash products, whether it be car wash memberships, exterior wash, full service wash options, detailed service options. You can change the titles, and you can also add more information to each one of these sections. Competitive advantage, I give you a chart for a competitive advantage. You click on this if you want to change it. This little arrow right here, you click on that, and then you can go ahead and make some changes to your competitive advantages. Your pricing structure, I give you a general pricing strategy. Feel free to change it. Location, I give you the yellow information. Just knock yourself out for making those changes. You do get a business objective and timeline. Helps you put some strategies together to show some coherency with your strategy inside the business plan. One of the beautiful things about my Carwash Carwash model is I do the preliminary industry analysis for you. I obtain my information from IBIS World and other sources. I summarize the information and I provide it to you here. So this is up-to-date information with revenues, profits, and costs. I do update this section annually in all my business plans. SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Make some changes to this. You'll click on the model. You'll put on this little arrow right here, and voila, you've got all the changes you want to make right here. If this option is not available to expand right here and make the changes, that means you're not in Word. You're not in a Word, Microsoft Word, and you're not going to have all the features to it. All right, so we got organizational structure, limited liability corporation, limited liability partnership, corporation, sole proprietor, whatever your structure, whatever floats your boat, crumbles my cookie. Just make sure you document it right here. Job responsibilities, I do identify some popular jobs that are prevalent in a car wash: CEO, manager, attendants, detailers. Add more descriptions to the jobs, or remove some of the titles. If you don't want an attendant, by golly, don't have an attendant. Get rid of them or her, and now you still have your job responsibilities. You want your attendant back? Well, then just hire your attendant back, and there you go. Next thing is going to be your organizational chart. I've already set it up. CEO, general manager, and your attendants and detailers report to the general manager. You want to make some changes to this? Just click on. If you want to make some changes to this, click on the chart. And you got this little arrow right here. You can click on it, opens it up, click on it again, and it shrinks it. Next is going to be the marketing. I give you a head start for the marketing, traditional internet marketing, and also social media marketing. Again, feel free to add more of your thoughts and ideas to it as well. Funding request, how much money do you need to get this party started? $525,000 is the estimate. You can change these numbers as you see fit. Funding, 20 to 30 years. You can change it to 5 to 10, 10 to 15, whatever makes you happy, makes me happier. Interest rates, whatever the range of interest rates. You don't want to put a specific interest rate, put a range. So what do you anticipate your interest rates to be? Is it 4 to 8%, 5 to 10%, 15 to 20%? Who knows? Just make sure you give it a range. You don't want to see like you're being picky. You want to show that you understand that the interest rates are going to have a range, and you're flexible. Excuse me. Financial projections. This information comes with your from your financial model. For the Carwash business plan template, I do give you 12 months profit and loss statement. I also give you 5 years pro forma income statement in this information. What you would do is for the numbers I have in here, I used a typical car wash from my experience with average customers, average variable cost, and average prices. You can go ahead and change that information in the Excel file as you see fit. Let's see here, profit and loss. So the way this is broken up: profit and loss year 1. This is month 1 through month 3, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3. And then month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, we have our profit and loss pro forma income statement for 5 years. And all this information you can copy and paste from the financial model. And in the financial model tutorial, I do show you all how to accomplish that game. All right, so hopefully this template will meet your needs for your car wash business plan. And if so, let's see here, in summary. So stay true to the structure. I give you all a real good structure that's been proven. Been doing this for a long time. I've written a lot of books. I've got a lot of education behind me, and this structure seems to work and it works well. So stay true to the structure. Keep the titles, keep the subtitles, and add more meat to the bone. Add more of your content if you're comfortable with it. Go for it. Next is that if you do want for the Excel financial template, I do have a video that is separate. Excuse me. It is a little bit of a general video, but the financial models are 95% the same for all of my templates. All I do is I just change some of the titles, but the heart and the soul of the template is the same. for the Excel template tutorial, make sure you watch this video here. And then if you like what you see here, if you want to buy the business plan template, just go to qualitybusinessplan.com/Carwash business plan template. And when you click on that link, you're going to see this this web page right here. And to purchase it, you just click here to buy now. And I'll also provide y'all with the instructional video. Once I'm done with this video, I'll post it right here. And then you've got the financial template video right here as well. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you like it, give me a thumbs up on YouTube and have a fantastic day. Thank you.